Are you trying to figure out how to send videos from iPhone to iPhone? Having a challenge or two in doing so? Just so you know, not all methods can deliver a smooth video transfer. Only the following methods can hit the nail on the head in this aspect. Part 1. How to send videos from iPhone to iPhone via phone transfer. Have you heard about phone transfer? A lot of people know about it. Phone transfer is one of the most popular free-to-download desktop applications that lets you kill 2, 3, 4, or many more birds with one stone, per se. Download phone, transfer to your computer, launch it, and connect both iPhones via USB cables. Select your source and destination iPhones. If needed, choose the source device from the drop-down, pick videos and click Export to Device to start the transfer. Enjoy your videos on the new device. Part 2. How to airdrop videos from iPhone to iPhone. On your iPhone, click on the Photos app. Find the video that you want to transfer to your other iPhone and then click on Share on the receiving iPhone. Enable the device in the AirDrop available list. Click Accept to receive videos. Part 3. How to transfer video from iPhone to iPhone via email. Open Mail app. Click Compose. Ensure your email address in the receiver field. Double-click in the main body. Select Insert photo or video. Attach the video. Hit Send. Then access it on your other device via email sign-in. Part 4. How to send videos from iPhone to iPhone via iCloud. On the source iPhone, click on Settings, Your Name, iCloud Photos. Toggle on iCloud Photos. On the target iPhone, repeat Step 1 and Step 2 to sync videos to your new iPhone. Transfer videos from iPhone to iPhone via iCloud Drive. On source iPhone, tap Video, then Share. Choose Save to Files, iCloud Drive, select or create a folder. On other iPhone, enable iCloud Drive. Open Files, browse, iCloud Drive. Access and download the video from cloud storage. Part 5. How to transfer video from iPhone to iPhone with Google Drive. On the iPhone that is going to do the sharing, download the Google Drive. Open app and sign into Google account. Click on Plus. Click on Upload, Photos and Videos. Select Video. Use the Locate link to find uploaded files.